Hello world. Today we will explain what Laravel and what are their advantages. Let's go. Laravel is an open-source PHP framework, which is robust and easy to understand. It follows a model view controller design pattern. Laravel reuses the existing components of different frameworks, which helps in creating a web application. The web application thus designed is more structured and pragmatic. Laravel offers a rich set of functionalities which incorporates the basic features of PHP frameworks, like CodeIgniter, Yi, and other programming languages like Ruby on Rails. Laravel has a very rich set of features which will boost the speed of web development. If you are familiar with core PHP and advanced PHP, Laravel will make your task easier. It saves a lot of time if you are planning to develop a website from scratch. Moreover, a website built in Laravel is secure and prevents several web attacks. Advantages of Laravel. Laravel offers you the following advantages when you are designing a web application based on it. 1. The web application becomes more scalable, owing to the Laravel framework. 2. Considerable time is saved in designing the web application, since Laravel reuses the components from other framework in developing web application. 3. It includes namespaces and interfaces, thus helps to organize and manage resources. Benefits of the Laravel framework. 1. Template tool. 2. Authentication and authorization. 3. Embedded reference materials. 4. URL redirects. 5. Integration of email services. 6. MVC-enabled architecture. 7. Problems with technology fixture. 8. Excellent unit testing. 9. Constructing apps in multiple languages.